Hello. You are watching Rahmat English Research Centre. Here, you will find easy ways to learn and understand English. Our goal is to strengthen your English skills. So, let's get started. Question 4. Give 25 conversation practice. Daily activities. Example. Student A, what do you do in the morning? Student B, I eat breakfast and go to school. Answer. 25 conversations for daily activities. Student A, what do you do in the morning? Student B, I eat breakfast and go to school. Student A, what time do you wake up? Student B, I wake up at 6 a.m. Student A, do you exercise in the morning? Student B, yes, I exercise in the morning. Student A, what do you have for breakfast? Student B, I usually have bread and eggs. Student A, do you read newspapers in the morning? Student B, no, I don't. I read the news online. Student A, what do you do after school? Student B, I do my homework and play football. Student A, do you take a nap in the afternoon? Student B, sometimes, but not every day. Student A, how do you go to school? Student B, I go to school by bus. Student A, do you like playing sports? Student B, yes, I play cricket with my friends. Student A, what do you do in the evening? Student B, I help my parents with household chores. Student A, do you watch TV at night? Student B, yes, I watch my favorite show at 8 p.m. Student A, what time do you go to bed? Student B, I go to bed at 10 p.m. Student A, do you study every day? Student B, yes, I study for 2 hours daily. Student A, do you play video games? Student B, no, I don't play video games. Student A, what time do you leave for school? Student B, I leave at 7:30 a.m. Student A, do you pack your lunch? Student B, no, my mom packs it for me. Student A, do you walk to school? Student B, no, I ride my bicycle. Student A, what do you do after dinner? Student B, I read a book before sleeping. Student A, do you clean your room daily? Student B, yes, I do it in the morning. Student A, what time do you start your homework? Student B, I start my homework at 5 p.m. Student A, do you play with your friends in the evening? Student B, yes, we play in the park. Student A, what do you do on weekends? Student B, I visit my grandparents. Student A, do you water the plants at home? Student B, yes, I water them every morning. Student A, how do you spend your free time? Student B, I watch Kids Madani channel or draw. Student A, do you attend any extra classes? Student B, yes, I attend a math class in the evening. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Rahmat English Research Centre. Do share your feedback and suggestions in the comments. Thank you.